What's up, guys? I'm gonna be making slime. Well, it's already made because I made it already. And my brother's just finishing it up for me. Put it right there on the table. Put it right there on the table. Can you guys see me?
Can I see?
Yeah, they can see.
It's a pad.
Oh, yeah.
Reality.
My brother is a professional slime maker. Guys, he's a professional slime maker. If you guys haven't seen his videos, go check it out. It's called Joseph.
Go inside.
It's called Joseph Espinosa. It's called Joseph Espinosa. Joseph Espinosa. What is it?
I made memes.
You can pause it and then start all over and delete certain things. Jordan can help you do that.
So guys, put you guys right there. I want to drop the phone. Or it'll be so bad. It would be so bad. No, just a little more like that. There we go. See me? There it is. You guys, it's that slime. I'll be playing with the slime for you guys. My brother is an expert. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, he makes memes. It's called Joseph Espinosa. Then it shows his face. Like, show them your face so they can see your profile. Well, it shows his profile face. It's like this. Or something like that. Like that, something. I don't know. But if you guys haven't checked out his channel, go check it out. Go check out his channel. He's my boy. He's my brother also. He's the best. Go subscribe to his channel and subscribe to my channel too. If we can hit 1,000 subscribers, then I will be giving away slime. Probably. I don't know. It's kind of cool.
Sure.
What you doing back there? What you doing back there?
What do you mean about that? Jordan's making me laugh. John, you're doing good. You're doing real good.
I know he is, bro. I'm just laughing.
They're haters. Never mind. Don't subscribe to his channel.
I wasn't laughing at you.
They're haters.
I wasn't laughing at you.
They're haters.
I'm thinking about a meme.
Never mind. Never mind, guys. They're haters.
I'll find someone like you.
I'm fine. Never mind. Go check out my channel and subscribe while you're already watching my videos. But if you guys are sick, check out my channel because it'll make you feel better. Because it's slime.
You made me sick in my stomach.
I want to make a ball. Hey, watch Preston and Gaming with Kev. He makes GTA 5 videos and other videos. He makes Roblox videos a lot and GTA 5 videos a lot. So go check out his channels. He plays mods too in GTA 5, and he has so much Robux or whatever. So go check out his channel.
We're gonna make a YouTube channel for Mama G.
What's your hair arrangements?
Let's give her another challenge.
Alright, guys. Hold up. Can you guys see me?
That's how you make a ball. Boy. You're making it wrong. Let me see if I can make it for you.
No, I don't want to make a ball.
Let me see.
After you were just being a hater.
After you just being a hater?
I was hitting on his channel.
You hating.
I was laughing.
You hating, boy. Get out of here.
Hey, both of you
Boy, I
guys.
got to dabble in the haters for Jake Paul, boy. Bam. Bam, boy.
Hey. Pause it.
Okay.
You're just ridiculous, man.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm sorry.
Dabble on the haters, boy.
Who wants to see a magic trick?
No. Hey, watch it. Before you get
10 likes on this video, I'll throw this at Jordan's face.
If you guys like this video, if you guys subscribe to this video and give me
10 likes and I'll throw it at JoJo's face.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Don't throw it at Jenna's face 10 times.
I'm finishing.
Yeah, let's finish.
Or if you guys give me lots of subscribers, I will be making a 3 a.m. video.
You missed it, bro. You should have caught it.
I will make a 3 a.m. video if you guys like and subscribe and give me 10,000 likes, and I'll appreciate it. Boy. So
Well, let me finish cleaning. Jordan, I'm gonna finish cleaning real quick, and I'll be back, alright? I just gotta go see what.
Why are you telling them my name, boy? Just kidding. They already know my name.
Dude, I'm already at level 50.
Cut deep.
Ow!
Oh no. Dude, I'm at level 50.
Boy.
Love you.
I'm at level 55.
But if you guys are subscribers, but if you guys are YouTubers, check out my channel and give me 10,000 subscribers, please. Oh, go check out SML, Jeffy.
Why are you telling them to check out other people's channels?
Because
Why?
they're cool.
You're not a hater.
Because I'm not a hater, boy. Go check out Too Hype.
Yeah,
And Tristan Jazz. And go check out ASMR. Go check out ASMR. She's cool.
No, she's gonna be whispering in your ear like.
No, she whispers and they're soft ASMR. Go check out Jingle Jingle ASMR and soft ASMR.
Jingle Jingle ASMR and Soft ASMR.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let me give you a little sneak peek.
And ASMR Darling whatever.
Oh, hang on.
Oh. You guys did not see that. I'm kind of sick today. I think I got the virus.
Dominic.
Also, his name is Tristan Jazz.
Pause.
Tristan Jazz.
Press pause, Dominic. Dominic. You can press pause.
Well, that is enough with the video. Get this.
No, don't even think about it, boy.
Dude.
Almost. I just need.
Whoa,
Guys.
this is
Peace out.